Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the fan in your DELL XPS KINS. This process will not only help improve your laptop's cooling efficiency, but also extend its lifespan. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips numeral, serro screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap, Polyal. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to the components. Now, let's begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. After removing the back cover, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect for any dust buildup, as this can affect performance. If you notice any dust, use compressed air to clean the area. Now, locate the fan. It's typically situated near the heat sink. You'll see a few screws securing the fan in place. Carefully unscrew these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find it difficult to reach, remember to use the spudger to help lift the fan slightly for better access. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. This step is crucial. Be sure to pull the connector, not the wires, to avoid damage. With the fan disconnected, you can now remove it from the laptop. If you're replacing the fan, take your new fan and align it in the same position as the old one. Connect the power cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. Then, screw the fan back into place with the screws you previously removed. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to perform a quick check. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there's no dust left inside. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in ensuring everything is done correctly. Now, let's reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, screw the 10 Phillips screws back into their original positions. Once everything is secured, power on your laptop and listen for the fan. It should be running smoothly and quietly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop problems. Lastly, if you need a quote before repair, we're here to help. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop maintenance. Thank you for following this guide and enjoy your refreshed DELL XPS KINS. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. No.